What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will. So you saw it, I saw it. The Samsung folding phone. So it opens up into a 7-inch tablet, and I'm still not sold on the folding phone thing. ZTE tried their attempt at it. Kyocera tried their attempt at it back in the day. And this is kind of along the lines of, are people really sold on a folding phone? Now, the concept is nice. Now, when they showed it today at Samsung, at the Samsung event, they didn't really show it. When you're doing a demo of a phone, you have to keep it in the protective case. Or, like when you're doing a beta of a phone, I should say, you have to keep it in a protective case because you don't want people to see the real device. So it was in kind of like this squared off, boxy case. I've seen it before. I've done betas for phones, but this folding design, I wanted to get your opinion on it. Personally, I'm not sold on it yet. I don't think people are going to want to carry around a thicker phone. People have now gotten used to carrying around very thin phones with big screens. And honestly, I think that's enough. I don't think people are going to be running out giving up their tablets because people now carry big phones and they also have tablets. So, the big phone inside of a tablet, I don't know, the tablet inside of a phone, I don't know, I'm just not sold on it yet. Call me pessimistic if you want to, but again, Kyocera tried it back in the day. It was way before its time. ZTE just recently did it, and it was not well received. So the difference with Samsung, though, they're probably going to have AMOLED displays, very good displays, and another thing that makes the Samsung one a little bit more intriguing is that it folds in. It doesn't fold out like the ZTE one did, and I was not a fan of that. But I just want to do a quick video, man. Get your thoughts on it. I know you guys seen that press release. If you didn't see the press release, well then here I am telling you, Samsung has decided to give us a sneak peek at their new folding design, the Galaxy F or whatever it's going to be called. I don't know. But a folding phone, not so much sold on it because I know it'll start at least $1,000. And I'm getting tired of spending $1,000 on phones. It's getting really old really fast. I'm gonna start investing that money in other stuff like tablets, real tablets, big tablets, or computers, laptops, or cameras or something, or just saving the money. Period. So the folding phone thing, what do you guys think about it, man? I'm not sold on it yet. That's just me. I would have to use it first because I've used folding phones and they're nice, but eventually that it's going to take some time for people to get used to carrying around something that you can open up into a bigger display. But when you have it closed, it's like a regular phone. There's another display on the other side, and it's like a regular phone. But then that makes your phone thicker, and that is the dilemma that they might run into with customers saying, and I don't want this thing in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? You just never know, especially a guy, but a woman who carry purses. Hopefully there's no guys carrying purses. But if a female is carrying a purse, it might be easier on them. They can carry whatever they want. They can put a quart of oil in their car, their purse, and you don't even know what's in there. The purses are getting huge, like suitcases. Yeah, folding phone. What do you guys think about it? It's your man Jay. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.